Good morning, boys, and very importantly, good morning, teachers. Today, we celebrate a very special bunch of people. Today is International Teachers' Day, and it's very important that we do celebrate our teachers because they have an extremely vital role to play in your lives. Without these teachers, you guys wouldn't be sitting there in your classrooms. Now remember, teachers change lives. They change lives every single day. And they are real life superheroes. Okay, so why are they superheroes? Well, they are superheroes because at the end of the day, when the school day is finished and you guys go home to your comfy homes and your beds and everything, the teachers carry on working. They are marking at school. They are preparing their lessons for the next day. And of course, they are busy getting their classrooms ready also for the next day for when you arrive at school. And let's not forget the many hats a teacher has to wear. Now, this doesn't mean that they actually wear all those hats. That just means that they have so many other roles to fulfill when they're at school. Not just that of being a teacher. They have to be entertainers, making sure that their audience is entertained every single day. They become event coordinators, making sure that all festivals are planned properly. They are referees, making sure that you play by the rules. And they are coaches, helping you to become better at every single sport you play. And of course, they are mentors, helping you to achieve the goals that you set for yourself. And they are your supporters, your biggest fans, watching you swim every single stroke. They are guidance counselors, trying to help you along your path in life. And of course, they are lifeguards, ensuring that you are safe at all times. They are substitute dads. And of course, substitute moms, working together for all of you. They are language experts, helping you to understand others. They are doctors for those days when you need somebody to help you feel better. They are groundskeepers. They are tour operators. And they are action photographers. Never forget, all of this they are actually doing for you. Now, who can ever forget that day when we all heard about the pandemic and about lockdown and school was closed? Well, you all went home, but the teachers came to school. Your teachers made sure that you would not miss out on any of your learning. They did this by learning very quickly how to teach online. And this made them happy because they didn't want you to fall behind. At WHPS, teachers plant the seeds of knowledge that grow forever. We start off with the small, and of course, we end off big. So, always listen to your teachers because they are here to help you grow. Now, look at this gentleman. He listened to his teacher. This guy clearly didn't listen to his teacher. This guy must have listened to his teacher. But this guy didn't. So, why do teachers do all of this? It's because they care. And they don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. So to all the teachers out there listening, Teach On Warriors, You are the first responders, the front line, the disconnection detectives. What you do in your classroom when no one is watching is this generation's best hope. Thank you, teachers, for everything you do.